All right, next up, eating disorder helpline disables chatbot for, quote, harmful responses after firing human staff. So the backstory here is it's this helpline. They've had human staff for 20 years. The union staff tried to unionize. They decided to fire the human staff because they tried to unionize and replace them with a chatbot that was AI powered. The problem is the chatbot started giving advice to people that basically feeds into their eating disorder. So it was like somebody was chatting with it that had a previous eating disorder and talked about how the chat was talking about how, oh yeah, you should definitely try to lose weight. That's healthy for you. You should lose 1 to 2 pounds a week. That's healthy for you. You should eat 500 calories less per day than you take in. That's healthy for you. The problem, and that is healthy for many, many, many individuals that do need to lose weight. But for someone that struggles with an eating disorder, it is exactly the opposite of healthy. It is incredibly unhealthy and unhelpful. And they took that chatbot offline really, really quick. But here's the thing that kills me. Okay, these chatbots are notoriously bad at this stuff. Like they're just bad at it. And so why would any organization trust such a nuanced, such a very delicate thing to AI? It's not ready for that. It's not going to be for a while. So it baffles me that they would do that.
But this is the same thing that we've talked about with so many other things where technology gets released and then people are done with it, right?
Yeah.
We got smartphones.
Yeah.
People are like, clearly I can drive and respond to emails at the same time. I'm that good.
On their Blackberries, man. They were doing it too all the time. Like crazy people.
And honestly, I still see people on their phones here in Georgia, which is against the law.
All the time.
You're not allowed to hold your phones.
Makes me crazy.
It makes me nuts. I feel like, can I do citizens arrests? Can I write tickets?
I feel like that at red lights. Because at a red light, when people sit there in extra time and you have to honk the horn because they don't see the light, it's because they're looking at their phone every time. I'm like, come on, 100%. Guys.
Well, maybe not 100%, 98% of the time.
98% of the time. So,
I mean, it's happened to me once recently where I was like looking at something that fell or I was trying to grab something that fell. Like that was the one time.
That's the one time.
That I think but we've seen it with like the self-driving thing, like all of these things. We give people technology to make things better. And then they're like, well, clearly it can do all of these other things and it's disaster.
Yeah, that's because
people
are disasters. I mean, if we're really being honest, like, and I'm one of them. I'm okay with it. I'm okay. I'm a disaster. It's fine. I am people. I'm a disaster. You're a disaster. It's fine. We're all disasters.
That's true. I'm a disaster in my own way.